Joy, a small word with big dimensions. To some, a feeling of contentment. To others, a state of bliss. And to many, a feeling of never-ending happiness. At Morpin, joy is a dream to do, to be devoted to the cause of humankind, to touch lives with the power of health and healing, thereby spreading a lifetime of joy, the joy of growing together. At Morpin, the quest to bring world-class pharmaceuticals within easy and affordable reach of all is driven by a passion to redefine, discover and attain excellence, led by its well-equipped and high-tech research and development center. Indeed, its R&D initiatives have enabled Morpin to seize the generic revolution in pharma industry by filing multiple DMFs and COS for complex new APIs. Leveraging a focused and integrated business model with dedicated teams having domain expertise allows Morpin to optimize its core competencies while allowing the company to focus on products in synergy with its current chemistry skills. At Masool Khana and Baddi, dedicated scientists primarily work on various projects for new, innovative, non-infringing processes, new polymorphs, and development of cost-effective proprietary technologies. Morpin uses sophisticated state-of-the-art instruments like HPLC, GC, FTIR, UV spectrophotometer, XRD, NMR, and mass spectroscopy instruments to standardize manufacturing processes of APIs. Furthermore, Morpin has chemistry skills for handling complex chemical processes, including Grignard reaction, high-pressure hydrogenation, low-temperature stereospecific reduction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation, Willsmere-Hack reaction, Meerwin arylation, acetylation, amino acid coupling, amino anthhydroxy deprotection, cyanation, heterocyclization, nucleophilic substitution, and condensation among others, at lab as well as plant scale.
In our R&D center, non-infringing processes and new polymorphs for various new APIs are developed for regulated market.
With over 72 patents and patent applications filed, Morpin is world's largest generic player of loratadine, an antihistaminic drug developed by its R&D. Presently enjoying about 90% US generics market share. Morpin's R&D has developed novel processes for an amorphous form as well as a new polymorph of the world's largest selling cholesterol-reducing drug, atorvastatin calcium, popularly known as Lipitor. With US DMF, COS and DDMF for atorvastatin calcium, crystalline trihydrate, Morpin caters to various global markets with patents granted in the USA, Europe and Canada for Lipitor. More recently, Morpin has been granted process patent in US, Europe and Canada for Montelukast sodium, sold as Singulair, another complex blockbuster molecule developed by its R&D using non-infringing processes. Among the top players in production of blockbuster drugs, atorvastatin and Montelukast, Morpin has developed novel processes for stable desloratadine and fexofenadine as well. Morpin is also selling key intermediates of loratadine, atorvastatin and fexofenadine, developed to fulfill stringent requirements for top generic companies. Towards its journey of profitable growth, technological advancement and strengthening the company. Morpin has filed process and polymorphs patent applications for several products, all landmark achievements of its R&D center. Besides these, Morpin has also developed and filed patents for new polymorphs of world's top blockbuster drugs, rosuvastatin, sold as Crestor, and sitagliptin, sold as Januvia, and commercialize these drugs to cater to various global markets. Other new products developed by Morpin R&D are saxagliptin, linagliptin, olmesartan, and candesartan silexatil. Morpin's R&D is also striving to capture the highly sophisticated Japanese market for loratadine, montelukast, atorvastatin, fexofenadine, and olmesartan by developing their impurity-free quality. Other highly sensitive and complex new products in the pipeline include dapagliflozin, canagliflozin, empagliflozin, aprepitant, S-omeprazole, orlistat, and fingolimod. The results of such dedicated efforts are truly satisfying. Morpin received the prestigious Pharmexcel Patent Award thrice in the last 4 years for granted patents of montelukast sodium and atorvastatin calcium in US, Canada, and Europe. As the future of humankind beckons, Morpin gets ready for a dynamic and more diverse role. A role where it must respond to future challenges by creating a colorful, brighter, and wider spectrum of joy. The joy of sharing, caring, and belonging by spreading hope, healing, and smiles. Morpin Laboratories Limited, the joy of growing together.